Hello. Now let's solve practice set 1.5. Question first. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Okay. Let's see question first. Its solution. Let those numbers are x and y such that x is greater than y. Okay, and therefore from first condition, what is first condition? First condition is two numbers differ by 3, means this x is greater than y, and therefore x minus y must be 3. Let's call it as equation first. By second condition, what is second condition? Second condition is the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. By second condition, sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Let's call it as equation second. Now here first equation is x minus y equal to 3 and second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 19. Here coefficient of y is minus 1 and in second equation coefficient of y is plus 2. That's why therefore by 2 into equation 1 plus equation 2 gives us, let us see what will it give. 2 into equation 1 means every term of first equation must be multiplied by 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus y, minus 2y equals 2 into 3, 6. And second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 19. As we are interested with an operation of addition, okay, minus 2y plus 2y will cancel each other. 2x plus 3x gives us 5x. Those equals 19 plus 6, 25. And therefore x equal to 25 upon 5. Therefore x equal to 5 5s are 25. Therefore x equals 5. Equation third. Therefore, substituting this value in equation 1, we get, okay, x equal to 5 we are going to substitute in equation 1. X minus y equal to 3. Therefore, it will 5 minus y equal to 3. Therefore, minus y equals 3 minus 5. Therefore, minus y equal to minus 2. Therefore, y equals 2. Okay, and therefore x equals 5 comma y equals 2. And therefore, those numbers are 5 and 2. Question second, complete the following. Okay, from figure given diagram is a rectangle. If you observe this rectangle carefully, you may note longer side is length and smaller side breadth. But they denoted their lengths by different equations. And we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, we have opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Therefore 2y equals x plus 4, 2y equals x plus 4, and therefore minus x plus 2y equal to 4. Let's call it as equation first. Similarly, we gave there 2x plus y plus 8. One side and its opposite side is 4x minus y. These are opposite sides, means these are the lengths and they must be equal. Similarly, we may write 4x minus y equals 4x minus y equals 2x plus y plus 8. 2x plus y plus 8. And therefore 4x minus y minus 2x equal to 8. Now 4x minus 2x gives us 2x. Minus y gives us minus 2y. Okay, 4x minus 2x gives us 2x, and minus y gives us minus 2y equal to 8. Now this equation is divisible by 2. Okay, dividing both sides by 2, we get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 fours are 8. Means x minus y equals 4. Let's call it as equation second. Now first equation is minus x plus 2y equal to 4, and second equation is x minus y equals 4, and therefore by equation 1 plus equation 2 we get equation 1 is minus x plus 2y equals 4, and equation 2 is x minus y equal to 4 again. As we decided to add these two equations, okay, minus x plus x will cancel each other, plus 2y minus y gives us y, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, substituting this value in equation 1, we get equation 1 is minus x plus 2y equal to 4. That's why let's put here value of y as 8. Minus x plus 2y. Minus x plus 2y. Plus 2y means 2 into y. Means 2 into value of y is 8. That must be equals 4. Therefore minus x must be 4 minus 8 to the 16, and therefore minus x equals 4 minus 16, nothing but minus 12, and therefore x equals 12. Okay, equation 4th, and therefore x equal to 12 comma y equal to 8. Now length of rectangle, let it be L, and the length of rectangle you may see here in a diagram 4x minus y or 2x plus y plus 8. Let's consider it as 4x minus y. 4x minus y. Let's put values. 4 into 12 minus value of y is 8. 12 4s are 48. Minus 8 gives us 40, and therefore L equals 40. Similarly, breadth of rectangle, let it be small b, and here you will note it is either 2y or x plus 4. Let's consider it as 2y. 2y means 2 into y, and value of y is 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16 units, and length is 40 units. Okay, length is 40 units. Now we are interested with perimeter and area of that rectangle. Now, perimeter of a rectangle, we have a formula 2 in bracket L plus B, that equals 2 in bracket value of L is 40 units and that of B means breadth, which is 16 units. 2 into 56, 2 6 are 12, carries 1, 2 5 are 10 and 1 11, 112 units. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is equals 112 units. Similarly, area of a rectangle, we have formula length into breadth. Length is 40 units and breadth is 16 units. 16 0 0, 16 4s are 64, 640 square units. Therefore, area of rectangle must be equals 640 square units. Let's see question 3rd. Solution. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Let present age of father equals x years and present age of son equals y years. Of course, x is greater than y here. Now what it tells us? The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. The sum of father's age and twice of his son's age is equals 70. Okay, this is first equation. Therefore, by first condition, by first condition, sum of age of father and twice of son is 70. Similarly, by second condition, what is second condition? Let's see. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. If we double the age of father and add it with age of son, the sum is 95. Okay, this is second equation. Now here, coefficient of x in first equation is 1 and in equation second, coefficient of x is 2. Similarly, coefficient of y in first equation is 2 and coefficient of y in second equation is 1. Then either equalize the coefficient of x or equalize the coefficients of y. Okay, let's multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract equation 2 through it. Therefore, by 2 into equation 1 minus equation 2 gives us, let's see what it gives. Okay, 2 into equation 1, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 2y plus 4y, 2 into 70, 140, and equation second is 2x plus y equals 95. As we have decided to subtract equation second through resultant equation, sign of subtraction should be in between these two equations, and due to this sign of subtraction, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus of every term of second equation. Okay, Now 2x minus 2x will vanish each other. 4y minus y gives us 3y, and 140 minus 95. 10 minus 5 gives us 5. Then 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is nothing but 4. Therefore y equals 45 upon 3. Therefore y equals 15. Okay, equation third. Therefore substituting this value, in equation 1 we get, let's substitute x y equal to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y. That's why it will be x plus 2 into y, and value of y is 15. 2 into 15 equals 70. And therefore x equals 70 minus 15 2s are 30, which was plus 30 at left side will be now minus 30 at right side. And therefore x equal to 40. Okay, number 4. And therefore x equal to 40 comma y equals 15. That is present age of father equals x years, and value of x is 40. That's why those must be 40 years. Similarly, present age of son equals y years, and value of y is here 15. Value of y is 15. That's why present age of son equals 15 years. Okay. Let's see question 4th. Solution. Question 4th is, the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Okay, question 4 solution. Let fraction equals x upon y, and therefore its numerator equals x and denominator equals y. And therefore from first condition, what is first condition? Let's see. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. The denominator of fraction is, means here y is, means y equals, fraction, denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. 4 more than twice its numerator means y equals 2x plus 4, and therefore this equation will become minus 2x plus y equals 4. Let's call it as equation 1. By second condition, yes, what is second condition? Second condition is, let's see, what is second condition? Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerators and denominators are reduced by 6. Okay, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominators are reduced by 6. Denominator is here y and numerator is x, and to reduce these numerator and denominator by 6 means y minus 6 and x minus 6. Okay, now if we reduce denominator by 6, it tells us that denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominators are reduced by 6. Means y minus 6 must be equals 12 times x minus 6. Okay, and therefore let's simplify it. y minus 6 equals 12x minus 12 6 are 72. Okay. Therefore, this equation will become minus 12x plus y equals minus 72 plus 6. Therefore, moreover, it will be minus 12x plus y equals minus 72 plus 6 gives us minus 66. Let's call it as equation second. Now, equation first is minus 2x plus y equals 4, and equation second is minus 12x plus y equal to minus 66. Therefore, by equation 1 minus equation 2, we get, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is minus 2x plus y equals 4, and equation 2 is minus 12x plus y equals minus 66. Okay, we have decided an operation of subtraction. Why? Because here plus y and here is also plus y. By the operation of subtraction of next equation and second equation, every term of second equation will change by sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Plus y minus y will cancel each other. Minus 2x plus 12x gives us 10x equals 4 plus 66 gives us 70, and therefore x equal to 7. Okay, and therefore substituting this value, in equation 1, we get, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is minus 2x plus y equal to 4, means minus 2 into x, and value of x is 7. Minus 2 into 7 plus y equals 4. Therefore, y equals 4 plus 14, because 7 2s are 14, at the left it will be minus 14, and on transfer towards right side it becomes plus 14. Therefore, y equals 18. Okay, therefore x equals 7, y equals 18. Therefore, fraction, yes, which we considered as fraction equals x upon y, and it is equals x is 7, y is 18, means 7 upon 18. Let's see question 5th. Two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. So that it is fully loaded, find the weight of each type of box. Okay. Question 5th, solution. Let weight of each box of type A equals x kg. Similarly, weight of each box of type B equals y kg. Okay, and therefore from first condition, what is first condition? Two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. 1 ton equals 1000 kg, means 10 tons means 10,000 kg. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. 150 boxes of type A. Okay, and therefore weight of 150 boxes of type A will be 150x plus weight of 100 boxes of type B will be 100y, and from that information sum of the weights of 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of type B equals 10 tons, and as 10 tons means 10 into 1000 kg, 10,000 kg those will be. Therefore 150x plus 100y equals 10,000. Okay, now let's divide both sides by 50. Dividing both sides by 50, let us find what we get. 150x upon 50 plus 100y upon 50 equals 10,000 divided by 50. 0 cancels with 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 0 cancels with 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 cancels with 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 0 0, 5 0 0, and therefore we are going to get 3x plus 2y equals 200. Let's call it as equation first. Similarly, by second condition, what is second condition? Second condition is, but when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Means here we may write 260x plus 40y. Those must be again 10,000 because fully loaded. Okay, now we may divide both sides by 40. Okay, therefore dividing both sides by 40, let us find what we get. 260x upon 40 plus 40y upon 40 equals 10,000 divided by 40. 0 cancels with 0. 4 ones are 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Point. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 40 ones are 40. 40 ones are 40. 0 cancels with 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 24. 0 0. Now the equation is 6.5x plus y equals 250. To remove this decimal, let's multiply both sides by again 2. Okay, and multiplying both sides by 2 we get 13x plus 2y equals 500. Let's call it as equation second. Now equation first is 3x plus 2y equals 200, and equation second is 13x plus 2y equals 500. Okay, and therefore by equation 2 minus equation 1 we get equation 2 is 13x plus 2y. 13x plus 2y equals 500, and equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equals 200. 3x plus 2y equals 200. As the operation is operation of subtraction, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus 2y cancels with minus 2y. 13x minus 3x gives us 10x. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. Means 10x equals 300. and therefore x equals 300 upon 10 means x equals 30. Therefore, substituting this value in equation 1, we get value of x is 30 and equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equals 200. Therefore, we may write it as 3 into 30 plus 2y equals 200, and therefore 2y equals 33s are 90. 200 minus 90, and therefore 2y equals 200 minus 90 gives us 110, and therefore y equals 110 upon 2. Therefore y equals 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, means y equals 55, and therefore x equals 30 and y equals 55, and therefore that is weight of each box of type A. Therefore, weight of each box of type A equals x kg, and value of x is 30. That's why it must be 30 kg. Similarly, weight of each box of type B equals y kg, and value of y is 55. That's why those will 55 kg. Let's see question 6th. Solution here. What's question 6? Out of 1900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. Okay, let the distance we shall travel by bus. Let the distance we shall traveled by bus equals x kilometers, and the distance we shall travel by aeroplane equals x kilometer, and therefore from first condition, what is first condition? First condition is out of 1900 kilometer we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane, means distance traveled by bus plus distance traveled by aeroplane must be equals 1900. Equation first. Okay. By second condition, what is second condition? It tells us bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. Okay. As speed equals distance upon time, therefore we have time equals distance upon speed. Okay. Now, some distance is traveled by bus and some distance is traveled by aeroplane. The distance traveled by aeroplane is y kilometers. X plus y equals 1900. As the speed of bus is 60 km per hour, time required to travel those 60 kilometers will be x upon 60, and distance y is traveled at a speed of 700 km per hour. Therefore, time required will be y upon 700. And from given information, sum of these times equal to 5. Okay, means x upon 60 plus y upon 700 must be equal to 5. Now here LCM of 60 and 700 is 2100. That's why I multiply both sides by 2100. Therefore, 2100 into x upon 60 plus 2100 into y upon 700 equals 2100 into 5. 0 cancels with 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. 6 fives are 30. 0 cancels with 0. 0 cancels with 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Okay, and therefore this equation will 35x plus 3y equals 500, 500, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10,500. Let's call it as equation second. We have equation first, x plus y equal to 1900, and equation second is 35x plus 3y equals 10,500. Now, okay, now by, yes, coefficient of y in first equation is 3, and in second equation coefficient of y in first equation is 1, and in second equation it is 3. Let's multiply equation 1 by 3. By 3 into equation 1 minus equation 2 gives us, let's see what it gives us. 3 into equation 1 is 3 into x, those will be 3x, plus 3 into y, 3y equals 3 into 1900, 300, 300, 3 nines are 27, carries 2, and 3 ones are 3, and 2 5. Okay, and equation second is 35x plus 3y equals 10,500. 10,500. As we decided to operate an operation of subtraction, sign of subtraction will be in between them. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus 3y will cancel with minus 3y. 3x minus 35x gives us minus 32x is equals 5,700 minus 10,500. We cannot subtract 10,500 through 5,700, but we can subtract 5,700 through 10,500. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. 15 minus 7 gives us 8. And 9 minus 5 gives us 4. And sign will be minus. Therefore, x must be equals minus 4800 upon minus 32. Minus minus will cancel each other. Now 32 and 48 are multiples of 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 0. 1600. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, and therefore x equals 150. That is distance, the distance Vishal traveled by bus, that is the distance Vishal traveled by bus equals x kilometers, means 150 kilometers.